Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get the video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Sir.
So in this video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat.
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the shoes that are coming out from October the 20th through the October 26th. I'm gonna go ahead and start it off. So starting off on October 24th, for a retail price of 125. This is a special edition shoe, the Jordan 1 Low SE. They're calling this one the Polaroid, and that's because if you notice this picture that has on the insole, we do have some Polaroid pictures of Michael Jordan. You know, the famous where he's dunking. Skyline in the background. You know, we've seen this photo 100 times, but if you haven't done so already, check this one out. So the predominantly the shoe looks like a white or gray. Can't really tell from the photos, but the midsole is all black throughout. We don't see any special thing going on with those. It does have a bright aqua blue on the side of the swoosh. Well as that toe box, we do see that toe box in aqua as well. And looking at the front, we do see that Jordan Brand is listening to us because we do see those laces to match the toe box. I do think that's a nice touch. It does make the shoe pop. Moving up, we do have that special light tag. Instead of having the regular patch at the top, we do have a patch. It has the Jordan Jumpman with air underneath there. I think that's a very different. And what I love about this patch, they stay in within the colors to make the shoe pop. The Jordan Man is just popping out. That's really a nice touch in my humble opinion. Move around to the back, we do see the same aqua blue and that Jordan Wings logo in black. Again, this is a very nice shoe. You can rock any loud colors. I do think this is a very clean shoe overall. I'm giving it a thumbs up because of the overall color scheme and combination. Jordan Brand stayed within the colors of keeping it basic and clean. They didn't try to add a third color or fourth color that didn't go with the scheme. So therefore, I am rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these Jordan 1 lows?
I'm liking those as well because they kept it simple, right? They didn't try to do too much with this shoe. It is a clean shoe, and I'll be rocking those.
Yes, sir. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, will you be rocking these or dropping these? So moving on, we have the third shoe coming out in the While You Were Sleeping. This is a collaboration with the A. I'm a Manier. So these are dropping on October 25th. The A. I'm a Manier Nike Air Max 95s. This does come at a price point of $190, which I think is very affordable for this nice collaboration. So this is the Nike Air Max 95 While You Were Sleeping. It does come in those nice colorways. It does feature those stripes where it goes from burgundy to gray to light plum to light gray. I do think this overall shoe was really nicely done with the colors. And again, this is a collaboration with the 8 I'm a Manier, so we do expect to have that quality premium leather on there. One of the features that it does see, if you look at the tongue, we do see that 8 I'm a Manier branding in an oval shape. Do think that's a nice touch. Everything looks nicely quilted and stitched in there. Looking around the insole, we do see that 8 I'm a Manier branding on the insole. Looking around to the back, we do see that nice Nike air bubble that we all love to make this shoe real comfortable as we're walking. Let us know down in the comments, are you rocking Air Maxes still, and can you wear them all day long? Again, it does feature a I'm a near branding throughout. As we're looking at a close up, has the A on the back of the heel, as well as a smaller A that's on one of the top leather panels. I do think that's a nice touch. Again, this is a very well executed shoe. As of right now, resale value is going for $140 on most sizes over retail. So I do think this is going to be a hard shoe to get if you're an Air Max 95 collector or you want these in your collection. I do think it's a nice touch. I probably will be going for these only because I already have the first two shoes, the Air Jordan 3s. Go ahead and check out that video right there. And again, we just unboxed the Air Jordan 4 8 I'm a Maniers. So to keep the pack together, I will be going for these. Again, it does feature on the back some exclusive Nike Air branding as we see. And again, it has that A at the bottom for 8 I'm a Manier. So overall, I'm looking at this shoe and it looks like they did a very nice job with this shoe. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, or you be trying to go for these. I will be
You
rocking
know,
these. What do you think about these, my brother?
you got to be an Air Max fan. If you look at it, before Jordan really popped, that was the main shoe everyone was snatching up, and I was a fan of them. So I will be rocking those as well.
Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, will you be rocking these or dropping these? So what we got next, my brother?
So the last shoe for the week is on October the 26th. It's the Air Jordan 4 Orchid. This is a women's pair of shoe. Price point for those is $215. Jordan brand, I don't get it. $215 for a women's pair of shoes. I mean, come on, Jordan Brand. Let's put some thought behind what we're doing. I do like the shoe. I mean, it's a nice, clean shoe. I like what they did with it. Basically, what they're doing is they just celebrating, what is that, the third anniversary of this shoe. What I'm liking with this shoe with the Orchid, neutral gray, black and white that they, combine with shoe. I love the suede, right? It's just a clean female shoe. I really don't get it coming out in the winter months because you can't get it wet, right? With it being suede. But I am liking the shoe. I'm liking what they did with the suede on the upper of the shoe. I like what they did with the white and black on the midsole. They kept it simple, right? It's a female shoe. It will be coming dropping in female sizes, but that price point, I can't see that price point. Really, I can see the shoe just sitting on the shelves with that price point. But it's a clean shoe. I like what they did with the gray, how they incorporated the gray on the outsole of the shoe. Basically, they just kept it simple. I will be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I'll be rocking these as well. This shoe reminds me of another shoe that came out about 5 years ago. This was the Jordan 4 UNCs. Basically, wherever you see that light blue at, you'll see this orchid pink. But I think this shoe, maybe they could play this off as it's breast cancer month and may be able to sell this shoe, but only time will tell for that. Pink doesn't really sell for women. These shoes are already going around retail price. Size women's 8 is going for $270. Only time will tell, but kind of 50-50 in my opinion, how these shoes will do. We'll have to just wait and see. Let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads, will you be rocking these or dropping these?
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.